Hi YouTube. Look at the Tundra. Oh my god. They are sitting collecting dust. Unbelievable. Too many Tundras. Most of them below MSRP. They just sit and collect on dust. Unbelievable. And now most dealers they go 5,000, 6,000, 8,000 till 9,000 below stickers. But the Tacoma, look at the Tacoma, it's been sitting too. Tacomas with small packages, they go fast. But all those Tacoma with big package, 6,000, 7,000, 5,000, they are sitting collecting dust. Look how dirty. It's collecting dust. What is that? TRD Sport. So start with 24,600, end up 50,600 to get the blue dashboard. So 6,000 just the package. That's why people don't want to buy it. Let's see the SR5. It has the running board. So it's 40,000. Yes, and final price 48. So like almost $8,000. $8,000. It's small screen. It's not leather. Too much. No outlet over here. Power. Just the small window running board. Let's see what type package. Oh, JBL. Oh, winter package. Bed step. Oh, the bed step. All weather floor. Wheel locks. Tailgate. Spray on bed. Liner. Door edge guard. Steering wheel heater. Oh, this is the Tundra. Let's see the other Tacoma. Alright, look at it. SR5. No running board. Start with 40, end up with 47, almost 47. Small screen. No leather. It's nothing. Nothing. 6,000 for nothing. Just about like that stupid JBL portable Bluetooth speakers. Who cares? It's our Walmart for 20 bucks. Look at this one. TRD off-road. 6 feet bed. Start with 43, end up 50. $7,000 just for extra for the package. That's why people don't want to buy the package. It's too much for JBL, stupid things. Door edge protector. What is this? Off-road too. 5 feet bed. This, I think this is the cheaper one. 42. Final price 45. Right, small screen. Has nothing on it. This TRD off-road. Look at the other one. SR5. How much is it? 40,000. Final price 46. 6,000 for nothing. Just JBL. Heated steering wheel. No running board. No big screen. No leather. Nothing. No sunroof. Just the rear window. Power rear window. Small one. Can do anything with it. This is the best one. This is the one I love. I like. This is the one I'm getting. The Sport. I love the Sport. Looks nice. It's really nice. I love it. Has the power in it. Start with 43. Final price 50. big screen. It's no leather. I like the hood scoop, this one. It's really nice. I love it. I love it. This is the best one. I like it. Okay, let's see this one. SR5, no running board, no power or charger outlet, nothing. Just the small window. Start with 40, end up 46. Same thing. JBL. Phone cables, $70. Door edge guard, $155. Wheel locks, $80. Look, seriously? Heated steering wheel, look. Small screen, no leather, no sunroof, nothing. 46. Regular rims. Oh my god, they just sitting collecting dust. Why? Because the packages, the one with the small packages or has no packages, they already sold out. Every dealer I checked. Okay, especially the sport like more popular. The looks, look at the looks. It looks different, looks nice. The hood scoop, I like it. The hood scoop, it's nice. I like the sport. Can't wait. Oh my god, the Tundra collecting dust. Double turbo, too much, because the prices start at 70. That's too much for a pickup truck. People used to buy a Toyota pickup truck because they are not just reliable, affordable. Now it's expensive. This is mid-size pickup truck. It should be affordable, not that expensive. All like 50 and up. Guess what? The hybrid, the TRD Pro, and the Rail Hunter, like around, it's gonna be like around 80, 70, 80, 60. I don't know. Like it's gonna start at 60. Then the packages, I don't know. They're gonna go like till 70, up to 70. I don't care. All I want, the regular one, the sport with underground color. That's what I want. Tundra, it's too much problem, too much gas. It's too big. Expensive. 70 till 85, some dealer till 90. But the good thing about the Tundra now, if you want to buy a big pickup truck, the good thing about it right now, you can get a discount below MSRP. Like some dealers do 5,000, some dealer goes up to 9,000 below MSRP. So this is the good time to buy a Tundra. Plus Toyota giving $199 interest just on Tundra, only on Tundra, $199 interest. So I think this is the good time to buy Tundra. Look at this one, limited. Let's see, limited. Start with 60. Final price 66,500. I'm sure you can get it for 60,000. Actually, that's really good, cheap. Because I see them on the different dealer for 70. I think it's depend on the package. Look at this one, limited too. 62. I think they dropped the prices. SR5 with nothing, no option, 60,200. Let's see this one. $67,000 leather sunroof. How about this? Oh my god, this one nice. Look at this. Let's see. iForce Max, 67,000. Limited. This is the time to buy a Tundra. If you need a pickup, like big pickup truck, this is the time. they have a good discount on them. TRD 4Runner. It's really nice. I love the color, that new color. I love it. The TRD is really nice. I think this one is sold. Yes, sold. It's unregistered. Oh my God. They just sit and collecting dust. Too many Tundras. Too many Tundras. Tacoma, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and they have one in the bag. 8 over them. I came here 4 months ago. They asked $3,000 above the sticker price. $3,000. Now they are begging me for $1,000 below sticker. $1,000. So look at the difference. $4,000 difference. Only 4 months. Why? They thought it's going to be sold out. They didn't know about the packages. Too expensive. Too much money for the packages. Alright guys, please, if you have any question, comment below. Like, share, subscribe, please. Support my channel so I can make more videos. If you have any question, let me know. Thank you. Have a great day.